Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Bluetooth icon missing error in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to bring up our settings. So by that, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type on settings. Once you have typed it, we just have to wait until a best match should appear in this window, and once it's here, please click on open to proceed. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together in the keyboard, and with that way, you would be able to bring up the settings. Now, once you are here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that, where you can see a list of options, which are home, system, Bluetooth and devices, network and internet, personalization, apps, accounts, time and language, and more. And since we're dealing with our Bluetooth icon, which is missing in our Windows, and by that we need to proceed with Bluetooth and devices. So click on that, which contains a Bluetooth icon, and once you have bring up the Bluetooth and devices section, you would be able to see a list of options. So scroll down on the list, and here you need to look for devices, which has the mouse, keyboard, pen, audio devices, displays, and docks, and other devices. So click on this, and the moment you've tapped on it, you would be able to see all the audio devices that you have connected in, the other devices also, the device settings, as well as the related settings. So we need to proceed with the related settings, and by here, you need to look for this option called More Bluetooth Settings. So in order to see the More Bluetooth Settings, you need to click on this forward arrow aligning to it, and the moment you do that, you would be able to bring up the small window called Bluetooth settings. The next thing that you need to do is you need to minimize or close the settings window so that we can focus in this small window itself. Once you are here, you can see there are three sections, which are options, COM ports, and hardware. So we need to proceed with this option called show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Now, the reason why you get an error why your Bluetooth icon is missing is that you have turned it off. So it's very crucial to turn it on so that your Bluetooth will appear here in your Windows or PC. So click on this to turn it on, and once you have turned it on, you can now click on apply to proceed with your action, and then click on OK. By that, click on the start icon, navigate to your power menu options, and click on restart. Once you have restarted it, the moment you relaunch your Windows again, your Bluetooth will be appearing this time on. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.